Welcome back to Tech 360. Yo, what's up everybody? It's Tech 360, and we're diving headfirst into the future of video creation. The AI video tool scene is blowing up right now, and trust me, I've spent some serious time sifting through the noise to bring you the absolute best of the best. We're talking free AI video generators that'll make your jaw drop, mind-blowing effects that were practically unthinkable a year ago, and tools that automate the entire creative process. Buckle up, because today we're exploring the most exciting AI video tools you absolutely need on your radar. Let's get started. First up, we've got Wax. Now, the name might sound a little strange, but trust me, this AI video model from Alibaba is a beast. What's crazy is that Wax is completely open source, meaning anyone can download and use it for free. And despite being free, it's been absolutely crushing popular benchmarks with its insane performance. We're talking high-quality video generation that rivals and even surpasses some of the paid tools out there. Seriously, the fact that this level of technology is available open source is mind-blowing. Next, we've got Google stepping into the ring with Veo 2, their latest and greatest AI video model. Now, Google's no stranger to pushing the boundaries of AI, and Veo 2 is a testament to that. This thing creates some of the most stunningly realistic videos I've ever seen. Think hyper-realistic textures, natural lighting, and movements that are so fluid they're almost eerie. Where Veo 2 really shines is in those slower, more graceful shots. It's like having a Hollywood cinematographer at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about efficiency. If you're all about pumping out high-quality short-form content, then you need VidAI in your life. This tool is all about automation, taking your simple text prompts and transforming them into fully realized videos, complete with scripts, music, and visuals. You literally just tell it what you want, and it does the rest. The AI behind VidAI is smart enough to generate scripts that flow naturally, select music that fits the mood, and even source relevant images and video clips. It's like having an entire production team working for you, 24/7. Alright, let's talk about pushing the boundaries of video editing. Pika 2.2 is here to change the game with its insane Pika frames and Pika swaps features. Pika frames is all about creating those mind-bending transitions that'll have your viewers wondering how you did it. Imagine seamlessly morphing a blob of liquid into a human face, or transitioning from a bustling cityscape to a serene mountain landscape. Pika frames makes it happen. And then there's Pika swaps, which lets you swap out elements in your videos with crazy precision. Want to turn yourself into a leopard? Done. How about replacing that boring lamp in the background with a flaming torch? No problem. Chapter 5, Hume, giving your AI voice some serious personality. Let's be real, AI voices haven't always had the best track record. They're often robotic and lacking that human touch. Well, Hume is here to change that. This AI voice generator takes things to a whole new level by understanding and replicating emotional expression. You're not just picking from a list of generic voices, you're crafting a performance. Want a voice that sounds like a weary traveler sharing tales from the road? Hume can do that. Need a voice that drips with sarcasm like a medieval peasant who's heard it all? Hume can deliver. Chapter 6, Flora, your all-in-one AI creative suite. If you're tired of juggling a million different AI tools, then listen up. Flora is like the Swiss Army knife of AI creativity, combining everything you need into one seamless platform. We're talking text generation, image generation, video generation, and a whole lot more, all within a single intuitive interface. It's the ultimate tool for streamlining your creative workflow. Flora's intelligent canvas is where the magic happens. You can drag and drop elements, experiment with different AI models, and iterate on your ideas in real time. It's like having an entire creative studio at your fingertips. Chapter 7, Notion AI, supercharging your workflow. Finally, let's talk about Notion AI. Now, you might be thinking, Notion, isn't that a note-taking app? And you'd be right, but Notion has quietly become a productivity powerhouse, especially with the addition of its AI features. We're talking about AI that can extract text from images, like scanning a handwritten document and turning it into editable text. But it goes beyond that. Notion AI can summarize lengthy documents, generate creative content, translate languages, and even help you with your writing. It's like having a super-powered assistant that's always there to lend a helping hand. Outro, the future of video creation is here. So there you have it, the most exciting AI video tools that are shaping the future of video creation. From generating entire videos from scratch to adding those mind-bending effects that'll make your content pop. The possibilities are limitless. And the craziest part is, this is just the beginning. AI is evolving at a breakneck pace, and these tools are only going to get more powerful and accessible. Which one of these tools are you most hyped to try out? Let me know in the comments below.